recipe that we are going to make today is going to be the vegetable broth. And this is something that you can stick in the freezer, and it's perfect for just popping out of the freezer and defrosting and throwing a soup together. And these soups don't take long at all. Let's just get on with it, get on with the show, and head to making that veggie broth that you can use for the next 3 recipes. Okay, you're gonna put 6 cups of water in a steamer, or you can use a pot, 2 cups of onion, 1 cup of celery, and 1 cup of carrots, chopped up carrots, 2 sun-dried tomatoes, and 2 garlic, and 1 bay leaf. Then 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and then shut the lid and set the timer. You want to slow cook it for an hour to an hour and a half. When it's cooled down, you can strain it, let it cool, and then fill up mason jars. I like to use 16-ounce mason jars. Just leave enough room at the top for freezing, or you can use plastic freezer bags if you want. Now again, remember to head on over to the Master Food Artist and download that Smoothie Obsession, and it's got a lot of little surprises in there, and you'll really like that. And share and like this video, and until next time, I am hoping that I brought out the best in you and your food, and I loves you.